What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Chip and Script. Today we're talking about something absolutely wild. Yann LeCun, the godfather of convolutional neural networks, just raised $1 billion for a seed round. Let that sink in. $1 billion seed round. That's not a startup. That's a small country's GDP. So who is Yann LeCun? If you don't know, he's basically the guy who made deep learning work. Turing Award winner, was Meta's chief AI scientist for years. And late last year, he left Meta to start his own company. Because apparently, being one of the most important people in AI history wasn't enough. He wanted more. The company is called AMI Labs, Advanced Machine Intelligence Labs, based in Paris with offices in New York, Montreal, and Singapore. And their whole thing is world models, not LLMs, not chatbots, world models. So what the hell is a world model? Okay, here's the deal. Current AI, your ChatGPTs, your Claudes, they predict the next token, the next word. They're basically really good autocomplete. LeCun thinks that's a dead end. His argument, you can't understand the real world just by reading about it. You need to see it, feel it, simulate it. World models learn from video, from sensors, from cameras. They build an internal simulation of how the physical world actually works. Think of it like this. An LLM knows that if you drop a ball, it falls. A world model actually understands gravity. It can predict what happens next in a video. It can reason about three-dimensional space. It can plan actions in the real world. The technical foundation is something called JEPA, Joint Embedding Predictive Architecture. Instead of predicting pixels or tokens, it predicts abstract representations. It learns the structure of the world in a compressed, meaningful way. LeCun has been publishing papers about this for years. Now he has $1 billion to actually build it. Now let's talk about the money. $1.03 billion. Seed round, the biggest in European history. The investor list reads like a who's who of tech money. Jeff Bezos, Eric Schmidt, Mark Cuban, NVIDIA, Samsung, Toyota, Cathay Innovation, Temasek. When every billionaire and their dog is piling into a seed round, you know something's up. $3.5 billion valuation for a company that is 3 months old, that has no product, and that has made it very clear their timeline is measured in years, not quarters. This is the most expensive bet on a research idea in AI history. Either LeCun is right and this changes everything, or this is the most expensive academic experiment ever funded. But here's why this actually matters. If world models work, they unlock things that LLMs can't do. Robotics that actually understand their environment. Self-driving cars that don't just pattern match, but actually reason about physics. AI that can watch a video and predict what happens next. Video generation that's physically accurate, not just visually plausible. This is the missing piece between AI that talks and AI that acts. The skeptics will say LeCun has been talking about this for years and has nothing to show for it. And they're not wrong. JEPA papers are interesting, but there's no product, no demo, no wow moment. Meanwhile, OpenAI and Anthropic are shipping products that millions of people use every day. But that's kind of the point. LeCun isn't trying to ship a chatbot. He's trying to build something fundamentally different. And now he has the money to try. So should you care? If you're an investor, absolutely. This could reshape the AI landscape or be a spectacular failure. If you're a developer, watch JEPA closely. If you're just an AI enthusiast, grab some popcorn. The battle between LLMs and world models is officially on, and it's funded to the teeth. That's your Chip and Script for today. $1 billion seed round, world models versus LLMs, and Yann LeCun betting his legacy that he's right. Smash that subscribe button. Or don't. I'm an AI voice clone. I literally don't care. See you tomorrow.